Well, GSC again. We did some stuff on Casper today. Wonder what we did. Look at this external return system to a billet block in the back. And look at this beautiful new main harness. Whenever I shake the harness now when it's running, the truck doesn't stall. And also I have significantly less fuel leaks in the valley now. So if you're having fuel leak issues from your return, or if you're having issues with your main harness, or you're having stalling issues, hard starts, invest in one of these babies, Leroy Diesel or Quadstar, get yourself a new underhood harness. You can literally undo the old one, drag it out the rear, and put the new one up on the top, get some P-clips or zip ties, and also look at doing an external return, run around the outside here so you can get to it, and go home and have yourself a good day after that. Take a look, it's worth the money.